is for almonds. Almonds are crunchy and full of energy. Munch, munch, munch. B is for blueberries. Blueberries are tiny and sweet, packed with vitamins for a happy tummy. C is for carrots. Crunchy carrots help you see in the dark. Chomp, chomp. D is for dates. Dates are nature's candy, soft, sweet, and yummy. E is for eggplants. Eggplants are purple and makes tasty meals. F is for flax seeds. Tiny but mighty, flax seeds keeps us strong. G is for grapes. Green, red, or purple. Grapes are juicy and fun to eat. H is for honeydew melon. Sweet and juicy, honeydew melon keeps us cool. I is for Indian gooseberry. Amla. Amla keeps us strong with lots of vitamin C. J is for jackfruit. Jackfruit is big and spiky, but super delicious inside. K is for kale. Kale is a green, leafy superhero full of goodness. L is for lentils. Tiny but powerful, lentils give us energy. M is for mushrooms. Mushrooms are soft and tasty, perfect for soups and salads. N is for nuts. Nuts are crunchy and full of healthy fats. O is for oats. Oats make a warm and yummy breakfast. P is for pumpkins. Pumpkins are orange and great for soups. Q is for quinoa. Quinoa is a tiny grain packed with protein. R is for raspberries. Raspberries are tiny and burst with juicy sweetness. S is for spinach. Spinach makes us strong like superheroes. T is for tomatoes. Red, round, and juicy. Tomatoes make everything tasty. U is for oob, purple yam. Oob is a purple yam that makes delicious treats. V is for vanilla beans. Vanilla beans make our desserts smell amazing. W is for walnuts. Walnuts look like little brains and are good for our brains too. X is for sigua, watermelon. Sigua is another name for watermelon, juicy and sweet. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt is creamy and full of good bacteria for our tummy. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini is a green veggie that makes yummy meals. Hooray! You learned A to Z with healthy foods. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye-bye, little learners. See you next time.